So that is Clickbank. You might be known the Clickbank, which is the power or the powerful or the king of affiliate marketing system. So many people in the world are just working with Clickbank affiliate marketing system, and they do have different products and offers online that they are presenting for the people. And the world top companies are working with affiliate system with Clickbank. So they have different categories and different ways and different products and offers online that they are promoting. So people like me and you want to make affiliate marketing or want to earn money online are coming just here and choosing the best product, high converted product or offer, then they are promoting that. So the best thing is that you can promote this product and then you can earn the money or commission from Clickbank easily. So suppose you choose the Clickbank affiliate system. For example, in today's video, I would like to show you that we can just work an e-business or e-marketing product or offer. So simply, you once you choose the category, then you can go to here, which is the best part or the best way to just choosing the gravity here and sort results by. So in sort result by, you have to choose the gravity, not popularity or average sale or initial sale or average sale or something like that. So we need to just work on gravity. Gravity means once you choose the gravity here, gravity means that how many people are just buy this product or how popular this product is in the world or online market. So the product that it come on the top, it means that it is by gravity means it is sold nowadays and it is very popular nowadays in the world, means people are just buying this product than others. So if you come to this product, that gravity is 33.66, and if you just go down and scroll down here, this product gravity is for example 18.1, and you can just use the gravity system that choose the best and high converted product for promoting. So suppose I'm just using a high converting product, and also I'm using a product that give me more commission or the best commission. For example, this is one is there, ND10X Forex system. So they are giving me $235.32 for promoting this product. So if we just see this main website, you can click here. So which is this one is the main website of this, and this is the offer that we need to promote in today's video. So that will is a system is there. So how I am promoting that, just by clicking the promote button, and then a new window will come and they will give me so this window requires affiliate to be pre-approved before being eligible to earn commission. So this they need confirmation, and they if you click here, they will redirect you to their affiliate system, and they will ask some questions, and after that they will approve you for promoting their products. But actually we do not want to spend the time. I will just show you the method and any other product. For example, this one is there, 189 is there, so I can click here. Once I can click here, this one is also needing to approve, and let me choose another one, this one also. So let me see this one. So this one doesn't need any approval. The only thing you will have and a Clickbank account, verified account. So I already have that. If you don't have, you can sign up with Clickbank. So once you open this, you can just click on generate hop link, and this is the link that they have given you. Simply you can copy the link and just go to somewhere, for example Bitly or something like that, and then shorten the URL or the link. So once you shorten the URL of the link, then you can just use for your benefit, or you can promote the link very easily and comfortably. So you can just click on the create button and press here, and then next create, and this is your link or hop link. So you can simply copy the link. So the best part is there, here that people are just promoting this link. Actually, you should not do like that. So simply you can just visit to Google or go to ClickFunnels or landing page. So you see these are all the funnels, free funnels that you can use for your benefit. Or you can use, for example, any other like this one landing page. You can use which is free, and this one the same, and also this one. Okay, so if you don't know click funnel or landing page is that you visit some website, they require from you the your name and your email address, and after that once you give the email address, so then they are just letting you to their products or something like that. For example, this one is here is there. If you click here shop now, they will require your name and your email address. So the main purpose is here that you just choose here, uh, you choose the product here, uh, you click here and they require the email address. So you should have your landing page. The landing page is that you are having the those people who click on the your product, so they will you will have their email addresses for the future whenever you want, so you can send new products to them that they can buy and they can convert to a real cash or something like that. So that is the benefit of landing page or click funnels that you can use. So once you have the click funnel or landing page, you can just click on that, create the landing page and request from the people that they want to have your offer or product. So then you can go to Instagram. So once you open the Instagram, so you can see the hack is there or the secret is here that you can find the best Instagram influencers here. So for example, this one is investing by the name of investing. So this guy is having 141,000 followers. And the same one, another one is, for example, making sense of finance is another one, which is having 195,000 followers. And this guy is also having, for example, Hetterman, 101k or 101,000 subscribers or followers they have. So you can also see another one, for example, this one is there. She is having 126,000 followers. So these are the different Instagram influencer that you can use them for your benefit, and you can promote your products on their pages or something like that. So what you will do, you can simply just contact him or send them the message. For example, you can give a great title and a good description. For example, if you just give the worst title or something like that, they will regret your message or something like that, because every day they are getting plenty of messages and email and other things, because people are just telling them that promote my products for free or something like that. So you can tell them easily that you can give accurate title, for example, business inquiry or something like that, so that she or he just look to that and they understand that they need to promote their products on my page and I can charge them for some amount of money. So you can simply just give the title, for example, business inquiry, and after that you can give a description. For example, you can tell them that we need to I need to just promote my link on your page. So how much you will charge me for 1 day or 2 day or a week or 10 day or month? For example, I want to have my link on your bio for a day or 10 days or something like a month. So how much you will charge me? Then you can just satisfy with him, means you can make satisfaction and you can make him complacent him or agree him, for example, by $5, $10 or $15 or something like that. So in that case, they can promote your link on their bio or something like that. Think about that. So if you look to her, she is having on each post 4,725 clicks. She have on this one 6,000, this one 9,599, means almost 9,600 clicks she have. So if you promote on her page or any other page, so you can just have the one that they have more clicks or likes, so then you will have more converting rate on your offer or something like that. So so if you find this one great, so it is good. If not, you can also visit a website by the name of shout card. You can just choose your for example category what you have, for example businesses there, or you are promoting something like business job or category or something like that. You can find people, the best influencer or Instagram influencer here. For example, this one is having 340,000 followers, this one 263,000 followers, and the same you can go down, and this one is having 1.8 million followers he or she have. So you can choose the best one or send multiple people the messages, so the one that they have the great rating or followers they have or charge you less for each post, so you can contact them or make or have agreement with them, and you can send your link. So one day you send the link to them and they paste in the bio. If anyone just click on that, for example, this is the one. If anyone click on that, the first thing or the first benefit is that you will grab or get his email address for the future use, and the next one is that they will redirect to a page that you are promoting. When they buy, you will get the commission of that. So that is really simple and very pretty. You can just invest $5 or $10 and get huge amount of money by that case, or get huge amount of commission from Clickbank affiliate system. This is the one method, and another one is the free method that you can use that needs your time and your efforts and your hard work. So you have to just create an Instagram account and you should build the followers. Once you build the trusted followers in one category, then you can promote Clickbank affiliate products or offers, and also you can have from somewhere else the products here and promote it on your Instagram account. So that is the free method which will have or require the time from you. But this the paid method, that is not much money. You can spend $5 or $10 and you can get huge amount of money. So this is the best secret. Many people are just afraid from that if I spend $5 or $10, so I cannot get back. So this is the free method you can use for creating your Instagram account. If you are not afraid, then you can just spend $5 or $10 by Instagram influencers, and they can promote your account very easily, and you can have your successful business. So the first thing I would like to tell you that is, first, the first thing you can just visit to Clickbank, sign up with Clickbank, and choose the best product that they are having huge commission. And the next, once you have your link, then you can find a free click funnels or landing page you can find on Google. You can simply type on Google free click funnel, or you can just free landing page. So once you have your link, then your click funnels or landing page, then you can come to Instagram and find out the best influencer who are having more clicks and more likes and comments, and also have more followers. Only followers is not the method that they have. So you have to choose the best, the one that they have more clicks. If they don't have the clicks and they have more followers, it means that they are fake, not real. So you should not always look to the followers. You can also look to the clicks and also comments and some interactions. So once they have more interactions, means clicks and comments or something like that, so then you can choose that person for your promotion or something like that. So simply you can write the best comment or the best message for them to give a title, for example business inquiry, and tell them that I need to promote my link on your bio. So they will be willing, because you are paying them the money. So that is because they are also looking for people like you and me to have to promote their links or something like that. So that is the whole review and the whole way and strategy and secret for today's method of Clickbank affiliate marketing system. So if you like, please hit the like button and comment me below if you are interested or you use any other strategy. So you can comment me below. Just find out the link